I am literally going to cry.
What? Yes. It's Vlogmas Day 20.
It's the dream.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring out, jingle bells roll.
About to head to work again for an overnight shift, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then I have tomorrow off. Okay guys, for my outfits today, I look really tired. I'm wearing this long sleeve sweater from my job and it's super cold outside, so I want to be warm. Then I'm wearing these checkered plaid printed dress pants that are stretchy and skinny from Walmart. And then I'm wearing these gray and black booties that are kind of suede. I have my winter coat prepared with stuff because it is literally going to be in the negatives on Thursday and I want to keep this in my car, but also it's only 20 right now, so probably gonna wear that because it's freezing. We have our countdown to happiness. We're only 5 days away from Christmas. It's crazy. What day are we on? Day 20. I didn't record it! Oh my god. I literally forgot to hit record. I just gave it to them. I'm so sorry. Well, Marley caught hers as always, and Sadie did not, even though she was getting better. Now she's worse again. But I suck. It's fine. But that was day 20 for bacon again. Hey guys, so I am currently home from work and I am going to do my gift exchange with Kenna. If you guys haven't watched me for a while, Kenna is one of my childhood best friends who moved to Arizona a long time ago now, but we still keep in touch and we still do a gift exchange. So we basically mail things and ship things to each other for Christmas. So here is the clips of her opening what I got her.
All right, y'all, we're gonna do this in parts. I'm also working, so this might be a mess. But I just got Zoe's last package in. All right. Oh my gosh. It says, please make unboxing video. Complaint will be processed. That's so funny. I'm gonna open this one first. Oh. It's a little ornament. It says Soul Sisters. We have the connection. I can't explain. Me? Zoey. That literally looks like me too. In my high bun. That is so cute. Thank you, Zoey. I'm gonna hang it somewhere in my room. I have a Christmas tree, obviously, but I'm gonna hang it somewhere where I can see it every day. This little one. Come on, can I be smarter than the freaking packaging? How do we open this? I got the box open. Stop. I am literally going to cry. I saw Arizona on there and I just know. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I could literally cry. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's Arizona, and then it has one with Kansas on it. My nails are so busted. I'm so sorry. Kansas, and then it has one with a little heart. Oh my gosh, and it's silver. I'm gonna put this on after. This is so cute and such a good present idea, Zoey. Thank you. It says Merry Christmas. My god, that's the cutest thing ever. This has so much meaning to it. Not only, so Zoey lives in Kansas. I live in Arizona, and we have obviously a really good friendship, which is, I'm assuming, where the heart comes in, you know. But my whole thing is like, it has that meaning, and it also has the fact that like a little bit of my heart is still in Kansas for that reason. I could cry. That is so cute. Thank you, Zoey. Okay, and then the last one in this box is this little bag. I think it's more jewelry, which I love jewelry. Okay, so it's a little bracelet. It says, no matter where we go, no matter what we do, you'll always be there for me and I'll always be there for you. One for you, one for me. And then Zoey wrote, I took mine already. There's writing on the back too. Love you. And then on the back it says, close your eyes and make a wish. Put this bracelet on your wrist. When the bracelet breaks in two, then your wish may come true. Is it supposed to break in two? It's kind of sad. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's a little compass. I'm totally wearing this now, actually. That is so cute. What the frick? Dude, she totally outdid me. But I think she'll really like her gifts. These are my favorite kind of bracelets, just like the little... Okay, so I got this Amazon package a while ago. It was opened because my boyfriend opened it on accident. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. I already see something that I'm like, oh my gosh. The first thing in here is Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blushes. There's 3 of them. This was on my Amazon wishlist. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so the next thing in here is this little thing. I think I know what this is. I'm so excited. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the Pure Intimacy Pheromone Unisex Perfume Oil. This is supposed to attract people, and it's supposed to bring out your natural pheromones, or your specific ones. I don't really know. I should probably do research before I talk about it, but this is like raved about on TikTok, and I'm a TikTok fiend, so anything TikTok tells me to get, I'm getting, or putting on my Amazon wish list. Zoey will get it for me. Okay, so the next thing I see is this. It didn't come wrapped or anything, but I love this planner. I saw it on Amazon and I absolutely love it. I really like the outside. I think it's very subtle, and I'm like a planner girl. Like, I really am a planner girl. Oh my gosh, it comes with little notes. Enjoy your gift from Zoey. Enjoy your gift from Zoey. Schedule a time to see me from Zoey. That's funny. Enjoy your gift from Zoey. Well, Zoey, let me tell ya, sister, you're gonna have to come to Arizona. I am not going out there during the winter. It's like, it's cold here in Arizona, but for us, you know, but it's definitely not no 1 degrees. Okay. The last thing in this box is this box. I saw it on here, and you are a lifesaver. That's what I'm gonna tell you. You are a freaking lifesaver. Because I was needing this like the other day. I was like, this is so annoying. I need a phone stand. I am so excited for this. You have no freaking idea. It comes with little like grippies, but I'm so excited because I watch YouTube videos while I'm working. I mean, I work from home, you know, and I like go on the phone with people. I sit on FaceTime with Zoey sometimes while I'm working, so this will be awesome. Okay, y'all. Zoey just informed me that there is yet another thing coming for me, and she sent me a picture of it, and it's literally so cute. She's gonna insert a clip. Maybe she can put it right here. But it's another ornament of us. It's of me and her sitting in a cup of hot chocolate that says besties forever. She wins Friend of the Year award. That's all I'm saying. Thank you so much, Zoey. I literally love everything, and I can't wait to see you open your gifts because I think you'll really like them. Your gifts were like way more meaningful. I always throw in like a gift that like would mean something to her, you know, that's like not on her list or something, but like she made these like really meaningful. I could actually like literally cry. Like that necklace, are you kidding me? This necklace is like so precious to me. I love it. I was not expecting that. Now here's Zoey opening my gifts. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you like them. Love you so much. Thank you. Peace.
And Kenna, it's very ironic that you are talking about it being -1 degree when tomorrow we're getting a literal snowstorm, and it's going to be -35 with the wind chill and up to 3 to 5 inches of snow. So can't wait. I'm so glad that you enjoyed your gifts. It was so fun and exciting watching you open them and seeing your face light up and surprising you. And I really, really liked the idea of the necklace as well. I thought that was like the perfect little surprise gift. So now on to what Kenna got me. It's all in just one giant box that my dad taped up. Gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Kenna. 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 I did the same thing. It doesn't really like change it up for each gift. Ooh, I recognize this. This is on my Amazon wish list, social worker. And it like, spells it out, and it basically defines that a person who has seen, heard, and written a goal for it all, one who has an excellent poker face, is largely unshockable, and is able to manage more stress and pressure than most. So true. A born nurturer who is full of compassion and the best problem solver, often thinking way outside of the box. Through support, guidance, and despite insane amounts of paperwork, yep, they are able to change the lives of individuals, families, and communities with hope, dignity, and a whole lot of love. See also, real life superhero. I think it's funny. So I'm going to hang that up somewhere. Ooh, facial massage jade roller kit. It comes with the goose shaw tool. I think I'm saying that right. I said it really weird. And the jade roller. I'm so excited for this. Oh, and it's cold, so it's actually meant to be cold. So this is like a little ice roller that you keep in the freezer and you roll on your face in the mornings to help with puffiness, make you feel more awake, and it's really good to get circulation. So I'm excited for that. And then a little jade roller with the 2 ends, the little tool, and this little textured roller as well. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'll have to look up the benefits and like make sure I'm doing it all properly, but I'm so excited, especially for the ice roller. Ooh, what is this? A tumbler set, double wall, vacuum insulated. What? I just freaking love giraffes, okay? Oh my god. Yes. Now, do I need any more cups? No. Do I want more cups? Yes. You have to have one for every day of the year. For your coffee, keep it insulated, water, hot stuff. I literally love it. Joey's gonna be like, another cup? But yes, it's so freaking cute. Look at it. Oh, and it comes with like a little straw cleaner thing, and then the straw. Yes, Kenna, such a good idea. That's so cute. Ooh, little hair clips. Yes. They're the little patterned ones, so I can put my hair in different hairstyles. This one, let's see. Yes. My little Justin Bieber air freshener. Necessary. Very necessary. I don't even know if it smells good. It just has Justin Bieber's face on it. Very cute. I'm going to put it in my car. Love him. Thank you so much, Kenna. I literally love you. You also spoiled me, and I love the little surprise. We always get each other like a surprise that's not on the list or something because we just know each other and we have to. So I literally love it, and I'm really excited to use this. Like after I wake up, I'm going to use this on my freaking face. I definitely need it too because I'm sleep deprived right now. So I am so excited. I literally love you. I miss you. Yes, you need to come visit us, maybe not during the winter when it's, you know, 2 degrees or negative 35, but maybe, you know, not during that time and during the summer. If you guys want to see our last year's gift exchange, I'll link that down below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just got off of work and I'm literally just gonna like clean up a little bit and take a little bit of a nap and then start the new vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!